So what's going on? This is Victor from Bright Studio. If this is your first time seeing my video, kindly go over and subscribe to my channel, because in this channel we help designers with free tutorials on how to design any flyers, logos and other tech related videos. So in this video I want to show you guys how you can get rid of startup programs after putting your system. For the understanding, startup programs are those programs that are on by itself, either folders or any application that start up by itself after putting your system immediately. They are those programs that you don't have to put them or launch them before they on your system. That if you are using Windows 8, any Windows at all, this video is for you. So kindly watch this video to the end. So let's get started, guys.
Alright guys, so here we are on my system. So these are the very easy step you are going to go through, and this is what I'm about showing you right now, and then you can get this thing resolved in just a couple of a minute. So what you are going to do now is you go over to the left hand side of your right hand side of your computer system. If you are using Windows 8, this is what you should do, but if you are using Windows 10, you can go to your settings under your control panel. This is what we are doing right now, and then in your control panel search bar, what you are going to do is to search on start up. Once you just type start up, you can see where you have your system, like see which processes start up automatically when you start your Windows. So you click over here, and then this task manager will open up. Then you can see wherever you are seeing high, know that they are the ones starting up once you open your or launch your Windows. So let me check on the one that is disabled. You can see my Windows Explorer now. I have disabled this one already. This one only start up anytime I boot my computer system. So I disable this. Even this I disable that. So let me look for one that I can disable. So this Microsoft Edge Corporation is enabled, so I can just hover here, click it, and then disable it. So these are just the easy step you can do. Any program that you notice that this thing is starting up anytime you launch or boot your computer system, this is what you should do. Go to the left hand side of your computer system. If you are using Windows 8, go over to control panel, and then you search for startup, and then you see system, see which processes start up automatically when you start your Windows. So you click over here, and then this task manager opens up, and then anyone you want to disable, click on that and you go over down here, and then you disable. So these are the easy steps which you can follow to do this thing. Alright guys.